Hey everybody, in this video we are going to be solving a polynomial equation. In this example we are not already set equal to 0, so we're going to do that on our own. I'm going to move this expression to the other side so that my leading term is positive, so I will add 2x squared over. I will get 0 equals 2x squared. I'm going to put in front because I want to be in order from largest power to smallest power. Plus 4x plus 3. As I'm writing that, do 2, 4, and 3 have anything in common? No. I don't even have an X with everyone, so there's definitely no GCF. So I'm going to do AC method. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 and 6, 2 and 3. What pair of numbers multiplies to give me 6 and adds to give me 4? A whole lot of nothing. If it's not factorable, that means it is prime. And if it's prime, if the question just says to factor, you can't. But if it says to solve, you can. And the way you solve is with the quadratic formula. This is a quadratic equation. You use the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus the square root, b squared minus 4ac all over. Look at where my square root goes. Look at where my division goes. All over 2a. You got to write it. Oh, sorry, I'm not on the screen. You got to write it the right way. You can't write it, your own way, okay? You can't just invent your own way of writing it out, okay? You got to write it the correct way. So x equals, please write x equals in front. Like, what the heck are you doing? Now, negative b will be negative 4 plus and minus the square root. B squared is 4 squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Maybe I want to continue a little bit over here. Negative 4 plus and minus the square root of. 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24. Minus 24 all over 4. Combine like terms inside that radical. What are we going to get? 16 minus 24 is negative 8. So I have negative 4 plus minus the square root of negative 8 all over 4. Now, the negative is going to come out and be an I. So you'll have negative 4 plus minus, I'm going to leave some space, I'm going to have I. Now, what about the 8? 8 is 4 times 2, but that's really 2 times 2 times 2. It takes a pair to make a perfect square. So 2, 2, the square root of 4 is 2, so that 2 comes out. And then that other 2 stays inside all over 4. Now to reduce, you want to make sure that you can reduce from everybody. What number can I reduce from everybody? Not in the radical. He's protected in his little radical, So x, I'm going to reduce a 2, okay? X equals negative 2 plus minus I root 2 all over 2. And I would leave the answer like that. I got 2 imaginary answers. Oops, sorry. Got 2 imaginary answers. And what was the biggest power in the problem to start? It was 2, right there. So my answers make sense. If you got that on your own, I would love to know. Give the video a thumbs up so I can tally how many people got it right all by themselves. If you needed a little support, give it a thumbs down so I know how many people needed help to get it right. All right, check the playlist at the end over here. There's only 2 more videos on the playlist because there's 16 examples on this set altogether. Make sure you checked over everything that you might need. That's it for now. Adios.